Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to withdraw and link your wallet to your Grass Airdrop account. First, go to your web browser and search for Grass. Now open the first link to visit the official website. Next, click the Open Dashboard button in the top right corner. To start, hit the Connect button to connect devices. On the left side, go to the Rewards tab and then click Connect Wallet. After that, connect a wallet on Solana from the list to continue. If you choose Phantom, then unlock your wallet using a password. In the pop-up menu, select the Connect button. You need to verify your wallet, so click Verify. Following that, confirm to sign in messages, which will provide your ownership. Once it is verified, click Send Verification Email, and then Send Verification. Next, navigate to Gmail, open the mail, and click the Verify Wallet Address button. Once the wallet is verified, return to your dashboard. Make sure to have some earnings in your account to withdraw. In the end, go to Withdraw to start withdrawing the required amount. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.